Okay, let's look at the next one. So click Add Section. And the next one on our list is under the C, Section Breaks, and it is the section break. So we'll add this, and you can see by default it comes in as this solid gray break, and it's cool to note that we actually have two unique styles here that we can choose from for section breaks. Just mention like this is the background color as well, like before, so you can change the background color around your section break if you wish. And so the style is the important thing here. You can either change it from this sort of solid color divider like we have here, or you can choose from like a line style divider here. And we actually have individual sections for both different types. So let's start with the solid color divider. As you can see the note here, these settings are only applicable if you have the solid color divider option selected above, which is this option here, which we do in this case. So the first option is to change the color. So we can make it a little bit darker. The height, we can make it a little bit thicker or higher, I guess in this case. Add text. So this is a cool feature. Let's make it a little bit lighter again so we can see the text that comes through. But we can actually add text elements inside our dividers. And these are a great way to change between maybe different sections of your store. So you can input the text here. You can choose to bold the text or not bold the text. You can change the font size. And then you can also add left and right padding on desktop and mobile separately. So this is actually really important because it kind of changes the way that this text will appear, as you can see. So right now we have a 15% left and right padding, which is left or right padding here, left padding here. So if we increase this percentage, you'll see that the text actually goes together more. So if we increase it all the way up to 39%, you can see we get this style effect. So depending on what you're going for, you might want to, adjust this to match. And similarly, we could do it on the mobile screen as well. So to me, I would probably add a little bit extra left-right padding in this case. Yeah, maybe like this, just to make it look a little bit cleaner. But again, this is personal preference as well, and you can adjust it as you want there. So that does it for the solid color divider settings. Let's switch over to a horizontal line divider. As you can see, this is quite a bit different. You cannot add text inside a line divider, but what you can do again is change the line color if you'd like. Let's make it a red color to make it stand out. We can change the height of the line. So you can see you can have a thick line or a thin line. And you can also change the line from solid or dashed or dotted. So if we choose a solid line, we'll get this effect. And we can also choose the width. So right now we can see it's at 40%. You can jack it up all the way to 100%. One style that I like when I use this is if we bring it down maybe to say 15% and go with a little bit of a thinner line, maybe a little bit thicker, and then choose a lighter color. So something like this can be a great way to also break different sections. I would potentially even go a little bit thinner. So yeah, depending on your theme, you can also play with these, but I think something like this could look stylish as well for a certain theme type. And then you can also change the line width on the mobile as well, independently from the desktop. And then down here we have the standard sections, which you're probably familiar with by now. So adding top and bottom padding to the section, and also adding an animation to the section. So in this case, you might want to have the line fade in, for example, which you can do here. So that does it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.